Selin sayang. Selin sayang. I want to sleep now. Thank you, okay. Tomorrow, if no hindrance, and yes, you will, I'm going to Gaya Street again. Doing selling, okay. Okay, Selin sayang. Thank you for working very hard. I love you so much. Mama, miss you, okay? Okay, Selin sayang. Good night. Have a sweet dream, okay? Miss you. Love you. Sayang, sayang, sayang. Sayang, sayang, Selin.